everyone, this is Maria and this is Philip, and today is Tuesday and we are mowing yards today. And so far on the electric Ryobi lawnmower we have 55% on the batteries, and so far we had mowed 4 yards today. And this is just a quick view of how the lawnmower is really doing well when it comes to mowing yards. And that is my husband right there, that's Philip, mowing this yard. I like the electric lawnmower more compared to the Husqvarna, because it's so easy to use. There he goes. It gets the job done quickly. And for a new beginner like me on mowing yards, I can do it in a quick push of a button. It turns on. I don't have to worry about like adjusting stuff on the lawnmower, and I like it very much because it has a lot of power. On the ground, and that way it will not mess up the blade of the lawnmower. And it really works well. So that is the tall grass right there. Look at that tall grass. He's coming back this way. Alright guys, this is Maria and Philip from Solar Power Electricity and Electronics. Catch you later.